In this video, I want to take a look at creating special characters or entity references. So here in the same document that we've been working on, below this ordered list, I'm going to create a footer element so that I can put this in there. And then we're going to take a look at creating a character reference, where a character reference is something like you might see those copyright symbols or a trademark symbol, something like that. And there are a ton of those that you can use. And I will link to this character entity reference chart in this video. And this has a lot of these. We can see, depending on what shape it is or what character we need. If we need this copyright symbol, we can see, let me zoom in a little bit here. Now this copyright symbol, we have @copy or ampersand copy, semicolon, and a few ways that we can put that into our HTML. So if I were to just use that name, which is the basic structure here. So if I use ampersand and then I want the entity name, whatever that entity is, in this case, that name is copy and then semicolon. And then that will enter in a copyright symbol. So I'm going to put in my name and then the year. So @copy Aaron Wright 2021. And when I save that and I go to my file, then I can see down here at the bottom where I put my footer, I have that information that I put in as well as that copyright symbol. And there are, like we saw in that list and the list that I'm going to link, there are a lot of those. You can use ampersand bold if you want a bullet point. There are a ton of those that are available for use, but the big thing is to remember using that ampersand and then whatever that entity name is or the number that you want to use depending on how you want to go about getting that, and then followed by that semicolon so that the browser recognizes this as a way of putting that in. If you wanted to put in an ampersand, then it's best to go ahead and use that character reference. So amp for an ampersand. And I don't want to type out Ozarks Technical Community College, so I'm going to just put that in there as OTC. Now when I save this and I refresh my page, I can see I have this bullet point here from that ampersand bowl, and then the ampersand from using that ampersand amp. That's the basics of using those character references. Like I said, I will link to that reference sheet that I had in the description for this video.